From Idaho to Grand Canyon is 1 hour and 4 hours. 20 minutes. 1 hour and 19 minutes.
So,
let's go.
oh yeah.
Let's go.
Pilot.
It's beautiful, you know.
Let's go.
We have a lot of pictures of it.
We're on our way.
The Lamar or the Hayden Valley is not hiking.
Where's the hiking going to be at?
It's a canyon.
Yeah, the Grand Canyon.
Traffic kami papuntang Grand Canyon. Time check tayo is 10:04. Late na kami. So traffic ulit, traffic.
Whenever we traveled, we were in France.
Yeah, picture sana kami. Kaso nga lang traffic eh.
What is it, north?
Yeah.
No.
And are you a tour company?
No.
All right. Do you guys need our information?
Sure.
All right. Enjoy your visit.
Thank you.
Way to Canyon Village. When you go to Canyon Village, you're gonna make a right down to Hayden Valley. I'll show you because it's gonna be a while.
Close yung road na dinaanan natin kahapon. Nariroute kami rito. So, I don't know if it's gonna be short.
Oh shit, it's gonna be 4 hours.
4 hours? Damn. So, no, we have no choice. That's close.
What road are we on? What is this one?
This is Riverside.
4 hours.
Fuck.
How do you know it's closed? Who told you? It's okay. Because we went there yesterday. We came through that route yesterday.
It just says close in November.
Yeah, I don't know what's.
Takot pala kayo eh.
You hear the kids, Jeff? If you want to turn like that, we're gonna get out first. That way, if you slide, you're sliding down by yourself.
1980 something. Ayan, yung mga puno na yan. Ayan.
Some of the finest remaining grizzly bear habitat in the lower 48.
Oh, really?
That is mainly of interest to die-hard naturalists. In the 1940s, it was called Secret Lake for the pair of trumpeter swans that called the hidden pool their summer home.
Is it a fall?
You see it?
Yeah, right here. Right here.
Oh, it's just.
Even falls.
And they make it into a walking area.
You know, it's probably people can't hike.
It climbs almost 700
We go
feet
trout
in its
fishing.
last half mile to a dormant geyser basin filled with strange formations.
Very good with your visitor center. Going to Hayden Valley, but you have to go through Canyon Village to get to.
Mom, I don't know what she's hating.
Turn right into the parking lot.
Where do you have to? Huh?
Actually, it's like big down.
Okay, restroom muna kami. Restroom break. Dito sa Canyon Village. Okay, restroom break. Canyon Visitor Education Center. Okay, we're heading to Grand Canyon. Okay, dahil sa restroom break, insert natin yung stretching. Mataba tayo. Stretch. Laki ng tiyan ko ulit. Ayan ang restroom break. Okay, dapat may goma akong dala. Okay, let's go. Just go.
Oh no.
Shot na, madumi na.
Somebody took it.
See? That's what we need, Jeff. Your sunscreen.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, you want
Ready
to talk
for
about
hiking?
it? Okay,
go.
so where are we?
We're going to
We are in Yellowstone already, and I have my energy drink, and then my dad's right there, my mom's right there, everyone's getting ready. We talk about where we're going.
We're going to San Juan La Union.
You
Bukas
wish.
Drew's shirt, tumakbo.
I know. Anyway, so right now it's really hot. So putting our sunscreen. That's fine. Okay, other side. Okay, you're not. Yeesh.
No face, huh?
This is not for the face.
Abang Arabo. Look at the falls. Where's the zip?
I don't like it, but if there's shade.
There. Falls.
Oh my god.
Come back.
No, yes, okay.
It doesn't even play, guys.
Shortcut, huh? Yan na.
What? Dude, that, imagine going up.
I know.
Dude, the fog. What the heck?
Grabe oh. Yung paakyat ang mamaya ang talagang labanan. Ito kasi pababa eh. Yan yung waterfall oh. Tindi oh. Oh, grabe. Lakas. Yun. Oh, look at that. Grabe. Yun. Okay, tara na. Tapos ng picture. Yan pa sila. Okay. Paakyat naman tayo. Paakyat. Let's go. Matinding labanan to. Paakyat. Paakyat tayo. Paakyat. Yan, nasa baba pa sila. May towel ako. Basa yan. Ng malamig na tubig. Ayan, mataas. Oh. Grabe. Pagod.
Tahan lang yung oras.
Sorry.
It's going uphill now.
Pagod.
Agad?
Kasi nagpa-break muna kami lagi every time.
Relax din ako, no? Mahirap na. Ah.
Well, the older crew that have to take a breather before they keep going.
No, I think it's the uphill. I let him go. Show my breath. No.
Let's go. Come here.
Okay, Grandpa. Grandpa Jeff, let's go. Put a cold water
Yeah.
sa towel. Tapos lagay nyo sa head nyo. Pampaano, pamparelax. Water break.
Dad, you want some?
No, kaya na. Ah.
Oh my god, God. It's funny how we know when someone farts because we just start laughing. He looks pretty guilty. I think it's the elevation. How is it?
Ah. Ah.
Give you a break?
I'm in the shade. When I get my heart down to like 90, then I can go get it.
Okay, go ahead.
But it's like still faster. Still 100 and
100? Okay. You probably
You know
four
what?
of the same.
Ah. Pahinga sila.
we want them in it too.
Grabe pagod. Ang paakyat. Ah. Ah. Pagod. Big.
It's good they have these benches. It's good they have these benches.
Ayun na. Pagod yung mga puti.
We're just gonna go.
I thought it's
Pagod.
I thought that you not there. I thought that's it. We take a picture here, Jeff.
Ito yung pinuntahan namin kanina. It's a Lower Falls Brink.
Take a picture those
North
them,
Rim.
them two on this side. There's another one in the middle like this. There's another?
Yeah,
the
this
one
is.
Sorry. Finally. That's it. Na sila mga bata nung una.
They're going over like 130.
Mom gets that too.
It's a good hike, right?
Oh, good.
It's not too far.
Yeah.
Shady.
She had to. What? It's just a hill. Well, it's good. It's good for your legs. The lower one, right? I mean the upper one. We're already at lower.
Balik na kami sa sasakyan. Tapos na ang hiking. Good. Lookout.
Wait, I don't know who has the spread.
Is it really?
How do you know the
Those are really nice.
Canyon of the Yellowstone.
Hey Dad, I'll record you.
No, you. Go ahead, Kiana.
No.
The canyon can varies from 800 to 1,200 feet in depth, from 1,500 to 400 feet in width. Is the length about 24 miles. Kiana. Tara. There we go.
Oh, that's not funny.
Now we're gonna set up the tripod. Hey, Jeff,
Kain muna kami. Kain.
Where are you taking some?
So Canyon Lodge Dining. Ayan o. Tingin lang ako dito sa gift store. Yellowstone. Bumili ako para sa mga katrabaho ko. Ayan sila. Campground. Time check. 3:09.
You can use the stars.